This is Papa Bear, and we had a huge blizzard. It's still snowing a little bit, but I thought I'd get a little video what it looks like as I'm driving along. Like this guy here, he's got to shovel all that out. See how the snowbanks are here. Look at that. It's there's a plow working up ahead of me a couple blocks. Get closer. Yeah, the hood's kind of iced up too, but there's a guy. He's doing a little shoveling. Look at the piles here. Look at the snow blower working. This guy here, he's clearing. Not done working on this corner yet. There's still piles in the street. You can see the piles along the road. Look at this poor soul right here. She had to shovel. Man. Yeah, right down this way, you can see. There's the snowplow. He hasn't done this side yet. It's narrowed up. He's gonna throw that 4-foot wall into their driveways. It's gonna be a huge wall of snow. As you can see, here's the snowplow as he turns the corner. Right there. Yeah. So look at that. Look at this. See, this street here he's just plowing it. Look at how deep it is. Look at how deep it is. On this side, you could never get through here. I don't know if you can see this. The ruts and how deep it is. And right here, he's not quite done here yet either. It's probably 2 feet deep all the way along here, and that's going to get, all of that mass is going to get shoved into that driveway. And it's just, right here, this guy, he had to take a break. They're just getting plowed in over here. See this? This is incredible. And on the other side here, look at this mound of snow. That's going to get pushed all into his driveway. Oh, there's a neighbor. Yeah, I'm almost home now. Holy cow. This is quite an expedition. Look at the snowbank here. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. This might be one of the worst I've seen here at this address. Papa Bear out.